Hi guys! Welcome back to the YouTube channel of Oils Are Blessings. My name is Sam, and in this episode, we will talk about the difference between essential oils and carrier oils. So if this is something that you would like to know or you would like to learn, please keep on watching. So the other day, I attended an EO 101 and somebody asked, ano ba ang difference ng essential oil sa carrier oil? So it wasn't really addressed, and I do not want to hijack the class. So I will share with you some basic things about the difference of carrier oil and essential oil. So a carrier oil is basically from the fatty parts of the plant. That would be from the seeds, the nuts, or from kernels. Essential oils, on the other hand, are concentrated oils that comes from the plants or trees' seeds, roots, bark, resin, the leaves, flowers, and fruits. For the method of extraction naman, for carrier oils are basically cold pressed. The most common extraction naman for essential oils is steam distillation, and another one is the cold press for the fruits like mga citrus fruits. Carrier oils are fixed oils. They don't evaporate. Compared naman din sa essential oils wherein they're very volatile. Once ma-expose mo, it starts to evaporate kaagad. And para mas ma-appreciate natin yung difference between a carrier oil and essential oil, maglabas tayo ng sample. Okay. So carrier oil and carrier oil and essential oil. So again, as mentioned earlier, it comes from seeds. So this is cold pressed na pumpkin seed oil. So yeah. Then this one is tangerine essential oil. Let's compare the two. So kuha tayong sample. If you feel the oil, it's very greasy compared to an essential oil. Sa kanan natin lagay. No, hindi siya greasy. And then, bango. Then of course, mabilis siyang mag-evaporate. So ito halos wala na. Ito, makapal pa. Since carrier oils can be easily spread, it can cover a very large area. If you would notice, konting patak lang ng essential oil, konti lang din yung area that it can cover. So, for you to be able to enjoy your essential oils and pakatipid, you use a carrier oil. So, one pump lang, then a few drops of your essential oils is enough to cover a large area. And we basically use carrier oils kasi some essential oils are very strong or very irritating. So to save you from that, it is best to use a carrier oil. It's your first defense na against irritation. For the next comparison, let's compare the smell. So for a carrier oil, it's normally bland to little to no aroma. But for an essential oil, usually when you just open amoy mo na kaagad, you don't even have to place it near your nose. Pero, ang bango. Yeah. Yeah. So that's that when it comes to smell. So the benefits that we get from carrier oils is that they nourish, they moisturize, and they protect our skin. So what do we get from essential oils? So basically they have therapeutic properties and aromatherapy benefits. So that's basically the difference between a carrier oil and essential oil. If you want to learn more about essential oils, please search for Oils Are Blessings on Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube. And if you want to have your own set of oils with a diffuser at 50% off, I will leave the link below. If you want to be a certified aromatherapist under Amy Galper, I will also leave the link below. So if you like this video, please do click the like button, subscribe, and hit that bell so that you will be notified the next time I have another video. Again, my name is Sam, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye! Peace and blessings!